So it's the symptom of the premi bhakta, the devotee who has prem. Oh, hearing the nectar pastimes of Krishna, my heart melts. Hearing about the birth activities of Krishna, the devotee becomes maddened by love. The sweet, chanting the sweet names of Lord. Sometimes the devotee is dancing, singing, sometimes crying, sometimes rolling on the ground. Why? Depending on which kinds of lila manifest in his heart, accordingly then he also behaves. Sometimes some separation lila, he's singing, so then he starts crying. Like for example, Krishna performed the Ras Lila with the gopis, and then he gave so much love and affection to them, took care of them with so much love. Then Krishna disappeared from the Ras Lila. So the gopis, they felt so much sadness. They were really upset. You gave us love and then you left us, so we feel sad. Because the devotee who has prem, all these devotees are manifesting their heart. Sometimes the devotee is laughing when he sees the meeting pastimes of Radha and Krishna. But it's not artificial, it's real, like it's natural for him. All these leelas are manifesting naturally. I give one or two examples. Early in the morning, a gopi, in the moment of Muhurta, one gopi, she was making fresh butter from the yogurt. She was churning, and then she made the fresh butter. She was churning the yogurt, and then after churning the yogurt, she thought, if Krishna would come in my house, it would be so amazing. Why? The Vrajavasis, they feel, I want that Govinda will play in my house. They're so eager for seeing Krishna. Feeling so much bliss. The gopi was churning yogurt and making fresh butter. And then she put everything in one pot. And Govinda, he was thinking, my devotee is calling me, how can I not go? Actually, any devotee that calls God, Bhagavan, immediately Krishna will come. Whether devotee is Draupadi, Gopi, Dhruva Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, even the smallest devotee, that without duplicity calls to God, God will come. The Gita also Bhagavan said, the Gita Bhagavan said, hey Arjun, one thing is Durachar and Sudurachar. Very low and terrible things. Like if this person is one-pointed devotee but is doing bad things, like really bad, still if he's one-pointed, they cannot give up on him. He's very dear to me. Ananya Bhak means he only worships me, no one else. Does not worship any demigods or demigoddesses. He just is surrendered to Govinda. So you may ask, wow, if one person is one-pointed surrendered to God, how can he be having bad behavior? Sudurachara. So not possible. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur Acharyas explain. Sometimes many karmas aren't yet destroyed. Some portion of this karma is still there. And just to perform leelas by desire of Bhagavan, sometimes this devotee slips. Just like when you're walking, in the same way, sometimes you hit a stone with your toe, or maybe with your nail, and even your nail sometimes falling off because of the wound. So one thing is durachara, evil, like, or vile behavior, and sudurachara, really vile behavior. But Ek Ros and Bahuros. I changed a little bit the subject, went ahead, but anyway. Bhagavan is saying, this is my decision. Which decision? He's sadhu, he's a sadhu. Even though he has bad behavior, really terrible behavior, how possible? Bhagavan is saying, I am Bhagavan. So if the Supreme Court is telling something, if you don't follow, it's an offense. So that's why Bhagavan is saying, it's my opinion. This is my mantavya, my decision is this. If you don't follow, don't accept my decision, then it's your fault if you don't accept my decision. So Bhagavan has so much love and affection for his devotees. The love and affection for 100 billions of mothers and fathers together cannot equal to the love that God has for his. That God has. It's not equal. What speak of Bhagavan? The love that is in the heart of the mothers of this world cannot compare with other kinds of love in this world. Isn't it? So that's why Shastra explains. You can pay off all your debts, but you cannot pay off your debt the debt you have with your mother. To pay off the debt with one mother, you must serve her. Serve your mother. For how long? For 7 lives you must serve her. Shastra explains. To pay off the debt with your mother, it takes 7 lives, not 1 life. Serving our mother. Then yes. One boy challenged and told my mother, I want to serve you, pay off my debt in 1 life. Then his mother said, okay, let's see, 1 life, serve me for 1 day and let's see. Then mother said, okay, now it's winter time, so my son, do one thing. So they let's sleep with me during the night, okay? And the son slept with his mother. The mother, knowingly, she woke up in the middle of the night and said, oh son, I'm thirsty, bring some water, warm water. Then he woke up like midnight and brought the water. She gave to him. After some time, he gave to her. After some time, son fell asleep. Again he came back and said, oh my son, prepare something for me. So 1, 2 things he said. Then he said, okay, bring some water. Then the son became angry. You'll not allow me to sleep during the night? You won't let me sleep? Then in this way the glass cup of water fell on the mattress, and the boy was saying, where will I sleep now? Then the mother said, you see how many obstacles for you to sleep for one night with me. Can you imagine when you were small, for how many nights I couldn't sleep for you? Just a little bit water from the body. You don't imagine how many times you have peed on the bed. And actually, for you to be able to sleep after peeing on the bed, I put my dry cloth for you to sleep, and your peed and wet cloth I use for me, for sleeping. And I had to sleep on your wet bed, and you slept in my dry cloth. Then the son understood, yeah, really, we cannot pay off the debt we have with our mothers. The love and affection that the mothers have for us just explains. So one boy fell in love with a girl, and they were dating hiddenly. Then one day the boy told, look, until when we just meeting hiddenly? Let's do one thing, let's get married. It will be good if we get married. Are you hearing or not? Are you hearing me? It will be good if we get married. But the girl said, okay, I can marry you, but there's one condition. Which condition? I don't want to see your mother, okay? Don't even want to see her, okay?
Yeah, like this? Huh? Wow, very nice. So the girl said, so leave your mother and accept me. Because the boy was loving to that girl, that is why he was telling to her mother that, her girlfriend, okay, her mother was old, so how can he leave his mother? So now he was thinking, at the last, the girl said, do one thing, I can get married with you, but please give the heart of your mother to me. Give the heart. So when the boys and girls get engaged in the love, so whatever the girls is saying, the boy has to do that. So please don't take it otherwise, but it is happening nowadays. So because I have seen so many cases that the boys sent to their mother in the old age home. So the girl said, please bring your mother's heart to me. So his mother had so much affection towards his son. Until his son didn't take the food, she cannot, because she has only one son. So one day what happened, it was 10 p.m. at night, so she cooked the food very nicely and she was waiting for his son. So the mother was sitting in the kitchen, so the time was 11 p.m. and then 12. So the midnight, because the mother was old, so she slept in the kitchen. So she slept in the kitchen, waiting for his son. So she was thinking that when my son will come, I will feed him hot food. So the son came very late, at after midnight. Chaku. So that son brings so very nice knife and he cut the heart of his mother, and he went to his girlfriend and told to his girlfriend that please accept my mother's heart, because you told me, so I did the same thing. So when he was walking, So what happened? The stone is stuck on his feet. So the heart fall down on the ground. So it was, so his feet was bleeding. So the heart fall down on the ground, and there was a voice came out from that heart. Oh my dear son, are you hurting? Are you hurting? So take my anchal, my pallu, my sari, and swap your bleeding. So this is the love of a mother. How much that mother had love and affection toward his son. No one can do like this. It is incredible. So what is my meaning to say? So in this material world, we cannot be repaid the mother's love in this world in one birth. So if you want to be onanchas, so you cannot be repay the mother's reign, the depth of the mother. It is not possible. So the love towards Krishna, the gopis prem. So what to speak about that? How much she has the love towards the Krishna. In the Ras Leela, so the gopis who assembled, so what kind of gopis those are? What kind of sarup they have? What are the symptoms? So there were many kinds of gopias were there. I told you yesterday also, when Krishna was playing the flute first time. So what happened? When Krishna was 6-year-old, he stole the clothes of the gopis, and in the 7th year he lifted the Giriraj Govardhan. So at the time of 8 years, he called the gopis and played the flute. So those all gopis came after hearing the sound of the Krishna's flute. So in this context, our writers are saying, so when many kinds of gopis were assembled there, so that is in the Sharadiya Ras. So in the scriptures, there are many kinds of ras are there, but there are two kinds of ras especially. One is Sharadiya Ras and the second is Vasantik Ras. Sharadiya Ras. So this is Sharat Kalin Leelas. This is Sharat Kalin Leelas. In the 10th canto, 29, chapter 2, 33. This is called Ras Panchadhyay. Sharadi. It's not Sharadi. So and other Ras is Panchati Ratra. So there were many kinds of gopis were assembled. Devi Kanyai, and so the gopis, the ladies were in the Ramchandra Leelas, Janakpuri's Leela, Janakpuri's girls. So there were many kinds of girls were assembled in that. Gopis were assembled in the Ras Leela. So when Ramchandra was doing Leela, so many girls was thinking about that Lord Ram, that I want to accept that Ram as my husband. So in the Leela, Ram said that I am one woman born in this birth. I have taken oath that without accept Janak Nandini Sita ji, I cannot accept anyone. I won't get married with anyone without Sita ji. So that is called one woman man. Raghu Kalori Jai Pran Jai Par Vachanam Jai. This is the Vachan of Lord Ram. So this presents was given to Sita by Lord Ram. Hey Sita, in my kingdom there are many kinds of many peoples can get married, so many marries, but I took an oath that I won't get married except you with anyone else. So that is why Lord Ram, so he gave the inspiration to all that ladies that in this Ram Leela I cannot get married with you, but in my next birth, in my next avatar, I will, after completing this Treta Yuga, in the Dwapar Yuga, at the last of the Dwapar Yuga, when I will be the Krishna, I will marry with all of you. I will fulfill all of your desires. So that's why all those ladies in Ayodhya, so for getting the Krishna as his husband, as their husband, they did so many kinds of austerities. Our Acharya used to say, Lord Ram, when he came in the Treta Yuga, 24th, Lord Ram came into 24th Chatur Yuga, and Krishna came in 28th Chatur Yuga. And at the last of Dwapar Yuga. So many kinds of crore years that gopis waited. Many crores, miles, millions, millenniums, years the gopis waited. So when Lord Ram did the yajna, so he told to Vasishtha Muni that I want to do the fire sacrifice. So Gurudev told that Ram, you are not the authorized person to do the yajna. Guru is Guru. He can do anything. Guru is Guru everywhere. If you are leaving him, if you are coming to him, Guru is Guru always. So Guru is not under the Shishya. Shishya is always under the guidance of Guru. It is said in the scriptures. The Guru who is under the guidance of the disciples, he will be chut from, he will be misleading from the right way. So Guru Vasishtha told Lord Ram, you are actually not the authorized person for doing the fire sacrifices. Now do one thing, because you don't have the wife this time, because your wife has been stolen by Ravan. Because at the fire sacrifice, at the end of the fire sacrifice, we do the fire Purna Ahuti. So at the time you need your wife. If you are not with your wife, you cannot do the Purna Ahuti. So that is why everyone should get married for doing the fire sacrifice. It is for me only. So Lord Ram told that if you are going to do the fire sacrifice, so do another marry, get another marry. So because you did one marry and she is not with you, so now you can do one more marriage. Because if you say so many girls can give their life to you because you are so charming, you are so handsome, because many girls can give their life for you. But Lord Ram said, no Gurudev, I won't get married, because I have given the vachan to the Sita, because I am one woman man. So please give me another scriptures solution. So the Guru Vasishtha said, it is written in somewhere. If you make the idol of Sita with gold, so then Lord Ramchand made a statue of gold, 24 karat, and that golden statue was full, like totally like Sita ji. and he did the fire sacrifices and did the Purna Ahuti. So Lord Ramchand did many Ashwamedh Yajna, and every year he made different Sitas. Visarjan. So when you do the pran pratishtha of any statue, after that you do Visarjan. It is according to scriptures. So first you have to call the pran pratishtha. First you do the installation, right? Installation of the deities. So those all Swarna Sitas, the golden Sitas, they told to Lord Ram, where we go now? Because you remember us when you were doing the fire sacrifice. Now where we go? Please tell us. Because you did the Purna Ahuti. But now where we go? Please tell us. We can't go now. Now where we go? Please tell. So at that time Lord Ram told, look, hey Swarna Sitas, hey golden Sitas, please listen. I am giving you benediction in the Treta Yuga, in the Dwapar Yuga, when I will be in the form of Krishna. I will accept all of you. I will fulfill all of your desires, and you all will be stay in the Vraj. Now you all take the birth in the Gopi Garva, in the womb of the gopis. So till then you have to wait. Krishna is a Gop Jati, because this is the speciality of Krishna. Krishna cannot accept anybody except Gopi. Krishna is Gop Jati, and he cannot accept anyone else except Braj, except Gop Jati. Because the Brahman wives came to Krishna, they wanted to get married with him, but he told that I am only Gop Jati boy, I will accept only gopis. So that is their one condition. If you want to be the wife of Krishna, so you have to be gopi. You have to take the birth from the womb of the gopis. Krishna Gopa Jati, Gopi Vinna Nahe Kare Anya Svikar. It means that Krishna is the Gop caste boy. He cannot accept anybody except Gopi, without gopis. So there is one condition, that you have to take the birth from the womb of the gopis. This is the specialty of Krishna's. Lakshmi, she came to enter into the Ras Leela, but so in the same way Brahmani came to Krishna for entering the Ras Leela, but Krishna denied all of them. There is one condition, that you have to take the birth in the womb of the gopis. Okay. So now Lakshmi ji is doing the austerity in Belvan. Maybe you heard about all these things. So till then Lakshmi Devi is doing the austerity in Belvam, at the other side of the Vrindavan or the Yamuna ji. She did the hard austerity. Still she is doing. Where Lakshmi Devi, she is the Maharani, and now she is doing the austerity in the Belvam, folding her hand. So many places you have seen the Lakshmi Ji's picture. She is giving money to everybody. But now in the Belvam she is doing austerity, folding her hand. So what's my mean to say? Bhagwan Ram, so he told to all the Swarna Sita, the golden Sitas, so by the mercy of mine, you will get the birth in the gopis womb in Braj. And it is not only, you have to do more. What? So you have to get the association of Nitya Siddhas gopis. This is condition also there. First you have to take the birth from the womb of the gopis, and another condition is you have to get the association of Nitya Siddha gopis. So then when you will get the anurag, परस्परानुस निबंधनम और दर्शनम अस्पृश्यता अतृप्तता. So it is not easy to be a gopi. That is why you have to do so lots of hard work. You have to do so lots of austerity. You have to roll so many kinds of papad. You go to Radhakund, there are many people are sitting there, they are doing so much hard austerities. If you go and they are easily, there are many sahachari or vachari you will see in the Radhakund. I am this kind, Rasgulla Manjari or Papad Manjari, Papadi Manjari, you will see there. In the Radhakund. Have you been there? Have you been? So first you have to enter into Tattva Siddhant, then Ras Siddhant, then Bhajan Sadhan and the association of the Parikar. Then it is possible. It is not so easy that go to Radhakund or you will be Rasgulla Manjari, Gola Manjari. There are many devotees. Gurudev is not telling anything and they left Gurudev. Gurudev is not telling about Ras Katha. And when they used to go to Radhakund, they are getting so many fresh kathas there and they become Rasgulla or Manjari. But actually the condition is that you have to be so much mature in the bhajan. So first you have to give up your all kinds of your veg, kam, krodh, lobh, moh, mad, matsarya. So when it is not possible for you, that you are not controlling your senses, that how can you be the gopi? Your Gurudev is so merciful for giving you some enthusiasm. He is saying some polite words. Gurudev used to say one thing, my Gurudev. Necklace. Mother used to say one thing sometimes to their child, that this is very valuable thing. It is for you, and she keeps it in a very secret place. When she grow up and she is going to get married, in that time she take out all these things and give to their child, because at that time they can save all these things. So you got my point. Adrak ka swad. So adrak ka swad. Monkey cannot get the taste of ginger. If you give the ginger to the monkey, so he will say, oh, what is this? It's so tasteless, my God. Adrak, the ginger has so many qualities. If you take ginger every day, your throat will be nice or work nice. You will get the power in your body. You will get so much power. So the meaning is here actually, if you are authorized person, then Sadguru give you identification that you are this kinds of Manjari or that Manjari. If you are not authorized, if you are unauthorized person, so Gurudev cannot give you the so first you have to get the authorization, adhikar. If you are not the authorized person, you are not controlling your senses, you are not able to control your senses, and if you are hearing many kinds of bullshit kathas, so your mind will be disturbed and you will be kami. So now the time is going to be over. So that Lord Ramchand told all kinds of Sitas, that Swarna Sitas, so I am giving you a benediction, I am giving you my blessings after this Treta Yuga. When the Dwapar Yuga will come, at the last of the Dwapar Yuga, I will come in the form of Krishna ki, and by the mercy of my Yog Maya, you will get the birth in the Gopi's womb, and you will get the Gopi's body. And after getting the association of Nitya Siddha Gopis, you will get the anurag in your heart, and then you will come to my Golok Dham, and then you will be able to enter in the Ras Leela. How beautiful the thought is there. So why I told all these things to you? Because in the Sharadiya Ras or the Pancharatrik Ras, many kinds of gopis, they assembled there. Sadhan Siddha, Nitya Siddha, Shutichari, Munichari, Swarna Sitas, Yodhiki, Ayodhiki. So many kinds of gopis assembled there. So there is one principle also is there. Krishna played the flute. So after hearing the sound of the flutes, so all the gopis left their homeworks and they assembled into the Ras Leela. So after hearing the sound of the flute of the gopis, so gopis got the aprakritic calm in their heart, and they left everything and went to Ras Leela. Because they have only one target, only Govind. Their ear, they are giving so much shine. It is looking so incredible. Because when all the gopis running together, but still they are not able to see each other. They are seeing only they are. So the Nitya Siddhas gopis, there is no obstacles for them. They are easily enter into the Ras Leela and meet with Krishna. So Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, they are called Nitya Siddha gopis. After hearing the sound of the Krishna, they left everything and went to Krishna. But those are Sadhan Siddhas gopis. Some gopis, because got the association of Nitya Siddha, they got some anurag, but the anurag was not matured. That is why by Yogamaya did one thing, they stopped them. Okay, so what the Yogamaya did that time, they made one statue, one kind of same person of that kinds of gopis, and she was in the home. But that Sadhan Siddha gopis, they went to the Ras Leela by the mercy of Yogamaya. So the mother-in-law and the sister-in-law, they are thinking that our bhavi, our our daughter-in-law, she is here, but still, she is the pratibimb. She is not the actual gopi. That she is not the actual Sadhan Siddha gopi. She went already for Ras Leela, for meeting Krishna, but by the mercy of Yogamaya, she has made another gopi. प्रतिबिंब नहीं बनाया उनको. Okay, so those gopis, the Sadhan Siddha gopis are not mature, so on them Yogamaya didn't do the mercy. Hope you all are getting. So at the time, their husbands and their gurujan, their gurus, they stopped them. It stopped and locked in the room. They said, "Where are you going? Don't go." So they were telling to them that she has lost her mind, or someone else captured her mind. if the graha, the nakshatra is not favorable for you, so your mind will be disturbed. It is mentioned in the scriptures also. Some graha, some nakshatra is not in favorable for you, so your mind can be disturbed. You can be behave like a mad person. Remember this thing. Or many people can say that somebody has captured her mind, ghosts or something, some other souls like this and that. There is a kirtan in Bangla Bhasha. Bara loke hari bol. People used to say, the ghost has captured you. There is no ghost and post. If you say that there is a ghost, who's that ghost? Nanda ke put, the son of Nanda is a bhoot. If somebody has captured the mind, if Nanda Maharaj's son has captured somebody's mind, so always he is in mind. He is in the mind of that gopi. Are you getting my point? Not getting it? Many people used to do so many mantras and all. If somebody doesn't know that how to take care of the person whose mind has been captured by the ghost, so if he is not able to do all these things, so the ghost will capture that person also. So if somebody is not did the mantra siddhi, he is not able to chant the proper mantra, so it has been seen, it has been heard that the ghost can capture that person also. There are many kinds of ghosts, Brahma Bhoot, Brahma Daitya Bhoot. There are many kinds of types of ghosts. So the person who has siddhi in for taking out the bhoot in the minds of the person, so they have to be matured in the mantra. They have siddhi. That is why mantantra, chidranam, nyas, mudra, prapatti, sharanagati or atmanivedanam. There are 5 stages. So you have to follow all these things, and after following all these things, after chanting the mantra, you will get the siddhi in mantra. Okay? There are many kinds of mantra siddhi, sadhan siddhi, bhav siddhi, swarup siddhi, vastu siddhi, अंतर जाके परिकर तत्व. It is not easy to go to the Golok Vrindavan Dham. It's very hard. So for getting one siddhi, you have to do lots of hard work. Gurudev used to say, it is not like a just gulab jamun that you just eat. No, it's not so easy. You have to do so much hard austerity. Then, by the mercy of the Lord, you will attain Golok Vrindavan Dham. Hey Krishna, Bachalo please. So that's why here it is saying, all those gopis, anurag, who doesn't get the anurag, or those anurag is not matured for Krishna, or who are not getting the association of Nitya Siddhas Gopi properly. So this is the speciality. There is a need of Nitya Siddhas Gopis association for getting or for entering in the Ras Leela. Radha, Lalita, Visakha. So you have to get the association of that kinds of gopis. So that's why in the Venugit there is a shloka. So all those, so they are so much excited for getting the association of Nitya Siddhas Gopis. Gurudev in the Bhagavad and Venu Gita said these things, that how Nitya Siddhas gopis also waiting for these kinds of gopis, sadhana siddha gopis. So how the sadhana siddha gopis get the association of Nitya Siddha gopis? They hear so many nice Krishna Katha, glories of Krishna by the mouth of Nitya Siddha gopis. Radha and other gopis, they used to make garland for Krishnas and they are offering that to Krishna. So this is the association they are getting. When you get the association, then they get the prem. Tadapi Prataginnanat. So after getting the association, you will develop the prem. Pratiginnati, dadati. There is exchange offer, meaning you have to give and take. Give and take things are there. There are 6 kinds of archan for Brahman. Dadati, Gannati, Pratiginnati, Prachityate. Those all Punindi Kanyas, they used to take flowers from beautiful gardens and they make the garland for, and they used to give that flowers in the hand of the Radharani. That Radha used to make that garlands and for Krishna. So they are getting that kinds of association. What is love? What is love? Actually, what is the meaning of love? The service is love. Seva param dharma. Seva, the service is love. Seva is prem. So now I'm telling you the further katha. So by the mercy of Yog Maya, those all sadhana siddha gopis, okay, some Nitya Siddhas gopis were locked here. You know the Kala Pani, the black water, Mumbai? His jail well mein. Where is Kala Pani? Andaman Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar. Yes. वहाँ पे बस listen the history. At the time of the English, the British people, the England people, so what happened? They used to, tie the people, Indian people, with a iron chain. There is a prison there, and there is hole. There is a little, very small window is there, and they used to keep that prisoners in that prison. That is why I call it as Kalapani. In the Andaman Nicobar, it is in India. So somebody enter in that, he cannot come out. Nowadays it has been a Pariyatan movie, the concept place, tourist place. So what's my meaning to say actually? Those all sadhana siddhas gopis were locked by their gurujan, by their mother, parents and brother, because their anurag was not matured. So some sadhan siddhas gopis, they were so much meditate in Krishna's form. So by the mercy of Yog Maya, when you are observed, totally observed in Bhagwan, in Krishna, so all the obstacles will be removed. When Bhagwan did the Chir Haran Leela, stolen the cloths of the gopis, at the time Krishna said, क्या? No, he has stolen the cloths and so told that whatever the Kam Krodh you have, but you are totally observed in me. That is why everything is removed from your heart. I'm not getting this. What is Gurudev said actually? When you take the chickfish, you know chickfish chola, chickpea chola. So when you take the chickpea, whatever it is, so you take it and make boil it very nicely, and when you take it out, it will not be ankurit, sprout will not be there. Yes. Yes, I'm doing. So some people, Gurudev is saying here that maybe you have seen that some people are doing so very nice, worshipping very nice. They are doing very nice seva, but sometimes Kam, Krodh, and many kinds of way come in their minds. So it happens sometimes because the impression of the previous birth. So there are many kinds of examples, but if you are totally observed in Krishna, so gradually all those previous impression will be destroyed. So they all remembered and observed Krishna's, and after that in the Nitya Siddha form they enter into the Golok Dham. चलो गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. There are many kinds of beautiful kathas are there, but still we will that how the gopis remembered Krishna in the separation mode. So we will discuss all these things tomorrow. Hey Krishna, we want to the lover of yours. So the time is going to be over, I am telling you. So those gopiyas enter into the Antardeh, Nitya Dham. Those all gopis enter into the Nitya Dham, because by the mercies of Krishna, he has removed all kinds of kasaya. So spontaneously it has been removed, and they enter into the Siddha Day, and they enter into the Ras Leela with Govinda. Yo Lin, yo Priya. Because if you are observed in Bhagwan, so by the mercy of Yogmaya, she will arrange everything. So the same gopis are saying Pati Sutannayan na 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 na. That is why we are not saying them Nitya Siddha. Wait, Nitya Siddha, what is Viva? What is marriage? Some Tikakar and some writers किसके प्रति? Some writers used to say that who gopis got married. हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हैं? Sorry, I am not getting. So actually by Gurudev, some gopis they got married, but by the mercies of Yog Maya, their husband never come to them. They used to busy in whole day work. Since morning to night they are busy in their work. They are serving the cows, they are doing, they are plowing the fields. So they are doing many kinds of activities. So that is why they are not getting the association of that kinds of gopis, Nitya Siddhas gopis. And in the Braj, gopis used to do so much long pallu. They used to cover their face by the sari. But there is only one terms is there, they got married with the gop.
और वैसे भी महाराज जी जैसे एकमात्र भोक्ता तो श्री कृष्ण है, तो उनके पति के भी मन में जब वो सब तो प्योर ही है ना, जो ब्रज में है सब प्योर है, तो उनके मन में वैसे भी भोग तो आएगा नहीं, तो मतलब
इसमें जो दिखा रहे हैं उनकी
पतिमन्य. So however Yog Maya arranged the marriage of that gopis, but they were not getting the sangha of the gopis. They are not meeting with each other. Yog Maya, she kept their husbands so far because they are so much busy in their whole day work. They get up early in the morning 3 a.m. and they used to go for work. They used to go for serving the cows, and then at last they come back very late, 10 p.m. and they used to sleep. So these all things arranged by Yog Maya. And when they got up early in the morning and they went for work also. But they have only one kind of bhav in their mind. She is my wife only. But they are not getting any kinds of association, any kinds of meeting with each other. There is very deep vichar, is philosophy is there. Lakshmi and other many kinds of devis, it's not easy for them also for meeting with Krishna. It is very hard. We cannot imagine actually. We cannot imagine. We are thinking some guru, we get this kinds of guru. Hey, you are this kinds of manjari, you are that kind of manjari. You chant this mantra and you will go to Vrindavan Dham, Golok Vrindavan. No, it's not possible like this. When you read the Grantha, when you get the association of pure devotees, then you will realize, oh, how far it is. I am just here and how I have to go so far. I haven't started yet. But now you are thinking that Gurudev gives some kinds of mantra, and after chanting the one mantra, I will go to Golok Vrindavan. I will get the Gopi Bhav. The English peoples are thinking like that so much. So you have to work so hard. You have to work hard. You have to do sadhan bhajan. Look here. What is the writer is saying here? This is very nice. It is explained here in this book. Now the person is saying that you are saying that Krishna is Param Bhokta. Krishna is in supreme enjoyer. And who is Bhogya? The gopis are the enjoy. That is why no one can come each other between them actually. Once what happened? One gopi, she was sitting in her bedroom. So what Krishna did, he went to the bedroom in the gopis. So it was midnight, 1 a.m. He was talking to gopis, because Krishna is Bhagwan, he can do anything. It is not, there is no restrictions for him. So what happened? So that gop who got married with that gopis at the night of 2 a.m. what he thought, that there is a voice is coming, of the male sound is coming out. So he was thinking that who is there inside. So that gop was thinking, so who has entered in the bedroom of my gopi, of my wife? So what that gop did, so he went to the enter into the bedroom of the gopis, and Bhagwan is Leeladhari. What Krishna did, knowingly, there is a window, khidki. जंगला like a window. झरोका, हाँ हमारे यहाँ पे तो जंगला बोलते हैं. So what Krishna did, he went out from that jungla, and Gop was thinking, there is a thief in my bedroom, and Gop was chasing him. And Krishna is Bhagwan, he was running so fast, and that Gop was chasing to him. There is a 1 meter distance, and that Gop was chasing him. So Gop is thinking, I will catch this thief. Krishna was running so fast. So Krishna is Bhagwan, he can do anything. And what that Krishna did, he got the form of that Gop's wife, and Gop captured her. When Gop captured Krishna, he was like, oh, she is my wife. I was thinking that you are thief. Why were you running? So that gopi said, look, because I got married with you, it has been 10 years almost. I didn't get any kinds of laughing and joking with you. We don't get any kinds of affairs. So now I was thinking today, okay, I want to do some kinds of laughing and joking with you. That's why I come out from that window and I was running, and now you are chasing to me. And you are thinking that I am the thief. No, I am not the thief. I am your wife. So and who was that? He was Krishna. And those were walking together. And Krishna was, acting like that. His wife. There was very nice moonlight was there. Moon was there. What a view was there. There was a very, dark forest. You can see the loins, beautiful, the wind is flowing. So after walking after covering some distance, so the Krishna in the form of Gopi, she said, oh, I'm so much tired, I would like to sleep. So Gopi said, yeah. Chalo, now we are coming back to home. So they came back to the home. So when they opened the door, so Brajvasi doesn't have any kinds of locking something. They have very simple doors. They opened. When that Gop entered into the room, and Krishna ran away from there. And the husband was thinking, so my wife, she has already entered into the room, my bedroom. So the real wife of that Gopi, she was sleeping, and she was snoring that time. So the Gop said that you just came with me and now you are snoring. and you lie down on the bed and now you're snoring. How it is possible? Because it was the Leela of the Bhagwan. And Gop said to her wife, "Oi, get up early, get up." So she said, "What happened? What happened? Are you crazy? Why are you waking me up? It is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Why are you waking me up?" So the Gop said, "Arey, are you mad? You were coming with me. We were walking in the forest together, and you just came with me, and you lie down on the bed, and now you are snoring. How it is possible?" I thought. Earlier I was thinking earlier that there is a thief in your room, but you went out from the window, and I was chasing you, and I told you all the thing, and then Gopi said, "Are you mad? Are you crazy? Arey, I was here. I was lying here on the bed. I was sleeping." So Gop said, "Oh, what happened?" So maybe you can see that somebody is lying on the bed and he is snoring. When you will waking him up, so their eyes will be red. So the Gopi said that maybe your mind has been captured by the ghost. So Gop was thinking, maybe you are right. Maybe I was dreaming. Maybe I was going to in the dream. Then the Gop said, "Oh my dear wife, I woke you up. I woke you up. So please forgive me." And he came out from the bedroom and he slept. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Chalo bhaiya. So Leeladhari do many kinds of Leela. Leeladhari does many kinds of Leela. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. So we will tell you the more further story tomorrow. Hare Krishna. So there is my one Granth. If you want to read this, very nice. Madhusmita Shri Radha. Have you read? Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Okay viewers, Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. We will meet you very soon. Okay, if you commit any kinds of mistake, if I commit any kinds of mistake, so please forgive me.